How to rename file in cam scanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can rename your file in cam scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the cam scanner application, and now I have to select any of the picture from there. Let me select this picture, and after that you can see that there is the random name coming into my file. If I want to change the name of this file, all I have to do is just tap right here on this name, and you can see I will get access to this interface. And now you can see I can remove this name and I can add my own file name. So let me type right here my file name. So let me select my file. Now to save the changes, I have to tap right here on the OK button. So just tap right here on OK, and you can see the name of this file will be changed. So this is how you can easily change the name of your file in cam scanner application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.